Hi, I'm Miss Regular,
And I'm Miss Collins.
and today we will be introducing to you a creative game that we made for the K-2 classroom. So this game is a lot like the traditional game Snakes and Ladders, however, it has a math component to it that focuses on addition and subtraction. This game can be played on your own Snakes and Ladders board that you have created. You can create it on Bristol board as we have done in the past, or you can use a traditional Snakes and Ladders board game as we will be using today.
So we're going to go through how to set up the game and how you play it. So we have all the instructions in a handy little manual seen here. It's called Snakes and Ladders Math Edition. To play, the players will start using their pieces, their placeholders, which you're going to use little snakes, and you will start off the board of 1. So in the traditional game, you would roll a dice and move forward. In this game, you do not use a dice. You will use a card, as I will show you in a second. Like the traditional game, if you land on a place with a ladder at the bottom, you will move up to that place. If you land on a square with the snake head at the beginning, you will slide down to that place. To start, a student will pick a card. On the card, there will be an addition or subtraction problem. The student will solve the problem and use the answer to move forward that many places. So with this card, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Therefore, the player would use their snake and move forward 7 places. If they pick up a card that is a super roll, they will take a dice and roll the dice. They would then move to the amount of spaces that they rolled, which is 6. So we are going to demonstrate that for you today.
Yes, so we will begin and we will do a couple rounds to show how the game is played. Remember that the goal is to get to space 100, and that indicates the end of the game and that player wins. So the youngest player typically starts, and in this case, I will begin. So I will pick the first card, and it says 4 subtract 3, which is 1. So I will move forward 1 space. And I have landed, as you can see, on the bottom of a ladder. So I will move up all the way to space 38.
My card is 10 subtract 4, which is 6. So I will use my snake to move over to 6.
Oh, I have picked up a super roll card, which means I will use the dice and see how many spaces I will go. 1. So I will move forward 1. And remember to always be looking at the numbers to make sure that you are counting up. So now I am on space 39.
4 subtract 1 equals 3. So I will move 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. I have also landed on a ladder, so I'm going to go all the way up to square 31.
Perfect. So I think we have demonstrated how our game will typically go, and this game can be used in the K-2 classroom as we have previously mentioned. So it is a great way to help your students practice addition and subtraction in a fun and engaging way. So we hope you enjoyed this video and this game, and we hope that it can be useful to you in your classroom as well.
Thanks for watching.